Hey, it's Maddie from Glam with Maddie, and today I'm going to show you how to make my go-to face mask. I love this face mask because it's perfect for my own skin, which is very dry, and I don't get acne that much, but when I do, I freak out. So this has some anti-acne ingredients like cinnamon and turmeric. So it's perfect because, I don't know, I just love it. And it doesn't smell the best because of the turmeric, but it works so good, and you can use it at least once a week, or you can use it up to every day at night. I use it probably once a week, and I love it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're gonna get started by putting, there's a generous amount of honey in. There aren't real measurements for this. It's kind of just put in as much as you want to make, kind of. So honey is amazing for your skin because it's antibacterial, which is good for fighting acne. It's very soothing, it helps open your pores, and it's so raw, it's just honey. There's no chemicals or bad ingredients in it. This whole face mask is like that. So that's what I love so much about it. Why go buy a face mask when that has super bad ingredients for your skin when you can make it yourself and know what you're putting in your skincare routine. Now I'm going to take coconut oil, and I'm just going to put a big spoonful of it in. Coconut oil is a miracle worker for your skin. It's so moisturizing, and there are infinite benefits of using it in your routine. Now I just added in a pinch of cinnamon, and cinnamon is also great for your skin because it's antibacterial. It fights against acne and blemishes, and it's been used throughout centuries to help, before medication was around, to help the common cold or just any health problems. People are just given cinnamon. So that's why this is great to add to your face mask. Now I'm going to add in just a little dash of turmeric, and you only want to add a little bit because it smells so strong, and too much will not do you any good. But the reason I add this in is because it is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant. It's just all around great for your skin, but you don't want to add too much, and it does have a little bit of a stench. So just be aware, don't add it in if your nose is very sensitive. So just keep stirring, get rid of all the coconut oil chunks, and really just add as much of these ingredients as you like, besides the turmeric. Once it is thick, smooth, and all blended together, it's time to put it on our face. This all over your face and neck. I love to put it on my neck because who wants saggy neck when they're older? Well, your neck is one of the first parts on your body that shows aging. So I love, even though I'm really young, it doesn't hurt to put it on your neck. So just rub it all over. The more the better. And I like to save any extras for the next time I put it on. I save it in a little jar. And I'm going to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the face mask is working its magic, I'm going to go over my lips with coconut oil and a old eyebrow spoolie. So this used to be precisely my brow pencil from Benefit, but I used it all up. I just like to use the spoolie to plump and exfoliate my lips. Now when you're ready to take off the face mask, you can either hop in the shower or use a damp washcloth and wipe it off. So for the purpose of the camera, I'm gonna use the washcloth, but normally it's so much easier just to go in the shower. So Now before you do this face mask and put it on your whole face, I recommend doing a little test patch in the corner in case it breaks you out or the ingredients just don't mesh with your skin type. And also, if you add in too much turmeric, you will know if you do a test patch because it'll turn a little bit yellow. See, I only put in a little bit for that whole container, so my face isn't yellow, and that's exactly what we want. Now, some of the ingredients in this face mask, you can tell right away that they're working, like the coconut oil and the honey. Like, my skin just looks so glowy and it feels so hydrated. But the turmeric and the cinnamon, you'll need to use the face mask a couple of times before you really see results, either for like acne or just overall the complexion of your face. But I really love this face mask. I don't know, it's my favorite. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you like it, and please give it a big thumbs up, follow my Instagram at GlamWithMaddie, and leave a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!